I'm going to show you how to do reverse chain stitch. You're going to start with a lazy daisy. Then come up underneath the lazy daisy, and all you're going to do is thread your needle through the stitch you've already made and come down next to where you came out. So you should have two lazy daisies linked together basically. And that is reverse chain stitch. Really so much easier than actual chain stitch. I saw someone doing this and I was like, hold on a minute, that's not how I've been struggling to do chain stitch. So I thought I'd give it a go. I can do chain stitch, you've probably seen the tutorial, but I kind of lack consistency and it's a struggle every time I do it. And I think it looks so nice when it's done well. And if you look, the stitches are actually pretty consistent in size and shape. And this was the first time I was doing this. So with a little bit of practice, I think we can get a really neat stitch here and even be able to do it tiny as well. This would be useful for outlining shapes, doing letters, but you could also use it for filling in gaps, keeping your chains small and close together. There you have reverse chain stitch.